Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel at home. Today, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this very quick hairstyle. It's super pain-free, low tension, and takes about 2 hours to do. So sign me up. And don't worry, if you can't grip braids, neither can I, girl, but we've got to look hot this summer, okay? I got a quotation to do box braids, and the woman wanted to charge me $120. So I was like, you know what? I can do it myself. It might not be as professional, but I can save me some coin. So if you're looking for a quick protective style that will last you about 2 weeks to 1 month, super low maintenance, super easy to do, this is a hairstyle for you. This looks so good. So I'm very happy with the result. If you want to join me and rock the same hairstyle, keep watching the video and I'll show you how I achieved this fabulous hairstyle. So my hair is washed, deep conditioned. I've done all the good stuff to it and it's properly moisturized. I'm not going to be using heat on my hair today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb out my braids, and that should give me a bit of a stretch, and hopefully it blends in better with the extensions that I will be using today. Okay, so we're going to get into the voiceover bit. Hello! So I'm going to part the back of my head. Parting is not my strong suit, so you do whatever you have to do to see the back of your head. You can use 2 mirrors, one small one at the front, one at the back, so you can see what you're doing. You can pray to your ancestors so that they guide you and they guide your hand and it just parts everything correctly. Honestly, this is not going to be perfect, especially if you suck at parting like me, but as long as it looks okay, that's all that matters. So I did relatively large sections. In total, I'm going to have 22 twists. You're going to take your Shine and Jam gel. This jam is a truth. This gel is a truth when it comes to laying down your natural hair, and this makes it blend in better with the extensions. So I apply that generously to my parting. Then you're going to divide your section into 2 and take your hair that you're using. I'm using this Afro Twist Marley hair that I picked up a while ago. I'm going to link some hair down below that's kind of similar in texture. I love this texture. It's so beautiful and it blends in with my hair. So for each section, I'm going to use 2 pieces of hair and I'm going to join them together to make 1 piece. And I'm going to put that into the parting I made within my section, close that up, and I'm going to take some rubber bands. So the quality of your rubber bands really does matter. If you use flimsy rubber bands, they're going to snap on you. So make sure you're using good quality ones. I will link the ones I trust down below. They don't break for nobody. And you're going to oil them a little bit so that they don't snag on your hair. And you're just going to put it onto your hair. So I wrapped this around my hair 6 times. I didn't want it to be too loose or too tight. I found 6 was a comfortable number of times to wrap the rubber band around. And then I'm going to take the 2 sections and pull them taut just to secure my hair in place. Then we'll go in with our Shine and Jam and add it to our natural hair. We just want this hair to blend in with our extension as much as possible. And now you're going to tuck in your hair into the braid and twist. So your biggest goal for today is to hide your natural hair within your extension. This might be a bit difficult to do, especially if your hair is more of a kinkier texture, but it's definitely possible. And obviously, if you get hair that's closer to your natural texture, this is going to be easier to do. So what I did is I just fumbled around with my hair, tucked it in where it needed to be tucked in, and continued to twist all the way down. This process is so easy. If you can't grip braids, this is so helpful. I love these twists so much. So once you're done, it's going to loosen up and I'm going to show you the back. Remember how I said it doesn't have to be perfect? Look at my partings. They're not even, but I don't care because no one's going to be seeing the back. If you're seeing the back, you're too close to me, Jessica. You need to step back. So that's what the back looks like. So now I'm going to show you a closer shot of the front. With our section parted, we're going to apply our Shine and Jam gel. Be generous, baby girl. This gel is there to serve you. you, not vice versa. So apply as much as you need. And sometimes I go in with an edge brush. I'm like, let's just lay this hair down. Let's get her laid to the gods. So once that's done, I'm going to section my hair into two, create that parting, take my piece of hair, wrap my hair around it, go in with your rubber band, wrap it around as many times as feels comfortable. Once the rubber band is in, you're going to section off the two bits and tighten them. Make sure it's not too tight. Once your rubber band is secure, you're going to apply Shine and Jam Gel to your hair. By the way, everything I used today will be linked down below, okay? Don't you worry, just check the description bar. So now you just go back into the same routine. You're going to try blend your hair in with the extension. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of tucking in. So I'm just putting my hair into the extension and trying to hide it as much as possible. This does not have to be perfect. I promise you it will still look good even if your tucking game is not 100% strong. I promise you the braids will look absolutely okay. So you're just going to twist away, and my God, at this point I was so tired. I'd been braiding for about 2 hours at this point. So you're just going to twist, and the twisting motion is quite easy to do. You just twist in whatever direction feels comfortable. There's a fatigue again. My hands wanted to leave my body and I was so tired, but we got to the end. We braided the hair and it looked bomb as hell. So at the end, just wrap your twist. You can do a 3-strand braid and let it loose and you're done. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'll come back tomorrow because you can see there's white bits where I use the gel. We're going to let this hair dry overnight and I will do a quick makeup look just so that we can see the hair in its full glory. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. This is the finished look, and girl, doesn't she look good? Honestly, this hairstyle is so cute. Takes 2 hours to do, super fast, super easy, super tension-free, super pain-free. Like, what's not to like about this hairstyle? This hairstyle is like the perfect boyfriend. They're just always there for you. They're not going to let you down. And they make you look good because they're not stressing you. If your man's stressing you or your woman's stressing you, you need to drop them like they're hot. I said what I said. That's me done for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.